Hello viewers, this is your tutor, Mr. Bernard, and today I'll be taking you in mathematics grade 7 with a very simple topic known as sets. So the first thing that you need to understand about sets is the definition itself. So what is a set? So we define a set as a collection of items or a collection of things where now these things that are being collected there in our sets are known as elements. So when you observe our example 1 as well as example 2. So our first example is saying, given that set A equals, so these numbers that you are seeing in set A there, they are known as elements. Why? Because they are collected. And set B equals 2, 4, 6. So these are the elements for set B. And then now our question there, it says list A intersection B. So whenever you are dealing with sets, when you see this N here, this N, it means intersection. Where now the word intersection in sets, it means middle or common. So the word intersection, it means middle or common. So, given that set A we have been given our elements and for set B we have been given our elements, now the question it is saying list A intersection B. So I've said the word intersection there, it means middle or common. So how do you find your final answer, or how can you list set A intersection B? So your question, so whenever you have such a question, so our first question there it says A intersection B. So whenever you have a question like this, the word intersection there, it means common. So what does the term common mean? So the term common, it means the elements that are found in both set A and in set B. That is what we mean. So when we observe our two sets there, the elements that are common, we have 2 and 4. Even there we have 2 and 4, meaning our final answer, it will be 2, 4. As your answer. So always remember the word intersection, it means middle or common. Whereas when you have such a question, the word intersection, it means common. Common means numbers that are found in both sets. Our second question there, it says given that set P and Q, list P union Q. So this U that you are seeing, it means union. So whenever you see union in sets, union, it means to put together. Union means to put together. Whereas, so now how do you list P intersection Q? So whenever you are listing an intersection set, always remember that the word union, it means together. Meaning, you just put everything that is in P and in Q all together. Just put them in one set. So whenever you are arranging them in one, whenever you are putting them in one set, always arrange them in ascending order. So our final answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as your answer. Now let us move on to example 2. So our second example there is saying consider the Venn diagrams. Consider the Venn diagrams. So whenever you see this in mathematics, these are what we call Venn diagrams. So the principle is still the same. So the first question there, question 2a, it says list A intersection B. So in this case, whenever you have been given a Venn diagram, the word intersection, it means middle. The word intersection, it means middle. So, meaning our final answer, you just look for those numbers or for that number that is in the middle of set A and in set B. Where now the middle part is this. Therefore, our final answer is 1, 4. Why 1, 4? Because the word intersection in this case, it means middle. So always remember this. Then the second example there, it says list X union Y. So whenever you have a union set, it is always the same. Don't forget the word union, it means to put together. So you just arrange everything which is in set X and in set Y together. So your final answer will be 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. The reason why I have not included 3 is because 3 it is outside X and Y. So whenever you have numbers or letters which are outside your two sets, you don't include them. Thank you very much.